Welcome to A2R Education. Please subscribe this channel and click on the bell button for future notifications on my videos. Hi students, in this video we will look into the trigonometric functions chapter of class 11, exercise 3.2. Question number 1. Find the values of other 5 trigonometric functions. The first question is cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2, where x lies in the third quadrant. This is the question. So before we move into the answer, we have to just recollect the quadrants. So let's draw this. This is 0 degrees, 90 and 180. This is 270. Here it is 360. The first quadrant is this is the first quadrant, the second quadrant, third quadrant, this will be the fourth quadrant. So this will be all sine, tan and cos. The first quadrant all are positive, second quadrant only sine is positive, third quadrant tan is positive, the fourth quadrant cos will be positive. So coming back to the question, cos x equal to minus 1 by 2, which means to find the values of all geometric functions, first of all we should know, we should determine x sin x by using the formula cos square x plus sin square x equal to 1. So with the help of sin x and cos x, we can determine the other trigonometric functions like secant, cosecant and cot. So after that we have to apply the sign as per the quadratic system. So this lies in the third quadrant, which means that belongs to between pi and 3 pi by 2 because it is in the third quadrant. So here we have sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1, which means cos sin square, here we need sin, so sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x, or sin square x is equal to 1 minus of the value here is given as cos x is given, the question as minus 1 by 2. Substituting here minus 1 by 2, we have 1 minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 2 square will be 1 by 4. So which is equal to 3 by 4. So sin square x is 3 by 4. So sin x will be plus or minus 3 by 4. Here, since it is a third quadrant, in the third quadrant sin x is negative. So we will leave the positive value. So we will consider only the negative value. Minus root, sorry, this is 2, minus root 3 by 2. So we have got the value of sin x. Now tan x. So tan x we know it is sin x by cos x is equal to, substituting the value, minus root 3 by 2 the whole divided by minus 1 by 2, which will be cancelling, minus sign goes off, the answer will be root 3. Similarly, cot x will be reciprocal of tan x. So the answer will be 1 by root 3. Secant x will be 1 by cos x. The answer is minus 2. Cosecant x will be 1 by sin x. Is equal to, sin x is minus root 3 by 2. So it is minus 2 by root 3. So these are the different values. So we'll have to remember the use of the positive and the negative sign according to that trigonometric function and the quadrants which they lie. Moving on to the second question. Sin x is equal to 3 by 5, where x lies in the second quadrant. sin x is given that x lies in the second quadrant, which means x lies between 90 and 180, or that is pi by 2, between pi by 2 and pi. So we know sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. It is equal to 1 minus of given value sin x is 3 by 5, so 3 by 5 the whole square is equal to 1 minus 9 by 25. Taking LCM, 25 minus 9 will be 16 by 25. So cos square x is 16 by 25. So cos x value will be equal to plus or minus 4 by 5. So we know this, here it is given as second quadrant. So in second quadrant cos x will be negative. So we will leave the positive value and take only the negative value. So cos x value is minus 4 by 5. Now we have to find the tan value. So tan value will be sin x by cos x, which is equal to 3 by 5 the whole divided by minus 4 by 5, which will be minus 3 by 4. Cot x value will be 1 by tan x, which will be minus 4 by 3, reciprocal of the tan x value. Secant x will be 1 by cos x is equal to reciprocal of the cos x value will be minus 5 by 4, and cosecant x will be equal to 1 by sin x is equal to 5 by 3. Next problem, cot x is equal to 3 by 4, where x lies in the third quadrant. So cot x lies in the third quadrant, which means x lies between pi and 3 pi by 2. Between 180 and 270. So tan x will be 1 by cot x, which will be reciprocal. So it's 4 by 3. We know secant square x is equal to tan square x plus 1, which is equal to 16 by 19. Tan square is 4 by 3 square will be 16 by 9. Sorry. Plus 1. Secant square x will be equal to 25 by 9, or secant x is equal to plus or minus 5 by 3. Here x lies in the third quadrant. So we take only its negative value, which means we take the value of secant x as minus 5 by 3. Cos x will be the reciprocal minus 3 by 5. Tan x will be sin x by cos x, which implies tan x value will be 4 by 3, which is equal to sin value we do not know, cos value is minus 3 by 5. So sin x value will be minus 4 by 5, 3 getting cancelled, and cosecant x will be the reciprocal, which will be minus 5 by 4. So we have all the values here. Next problem.